Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. That today we will not unleash or review or build or unbox a kit of Gunpla, but we have here your I hope another Beyblade. Yeah, this another Beyblade right here, and this it's very obvious that this Beyblade is a fake or a bootleg kind of Beyblade. So disclaimer for those person who doesn't like Beyblade fakes, you can go to my other videos, okay? Or for those who wants to know about this, but I know you already know this one, that logo. Yeah, stay and let's have it. Let's go. And it's already open because I've already checked it. But yeah, for the sake of the video, let's have this. Yep, that's it. And very easy. This is your Black Dran sword. Yep, this is the Black Dran sword, and a very nice black right here. I don't want this to have a battle because the black is so nice. It's like matte black right here. And you know, this is just painted. So as you can see there's already a chip on that. I don't know where it bumped. I never played this one. Yeah, so now let's build it. It's same. It has a 360. Am I right? 360 or 380? Okay, 360 ratchet, and it's bit. It's a flat bit. And whoa. Okay. Okay, nice. So this is your Black Dran sword. Yep. So I already unbox and also review the Dran sword and have some battles also, which is the original Dran sword that we have. So when it's fake, you can buy this only with the bay, and only the bay. So there's no launcher or any, yeah. So I will have my launcher right here. So this one, yep. This is an original launcher of Beyblade X. So let's see what will be its performance. So let's have first a spin test, but let me get first my Beyblade X Stadium. So wait a little bit. Okay, let's go. Let's get the Stadium. Okay, so we have here now our Beyblade X Stadium. So I will just face in this part because yeah, it should be on the other side, but yeah, whatever. Okay. Okay, so now let's have a spin test first of our Black Dran sword. Yeah. Wow. But the beat right here keeps playing, so it's very black, very nice. So let's have it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, woo. Woo. 2 extreme dash at simultaneous extreme dash. Not so stable, but yeah. Let's see if we will have a battle. Oh man, I will battle this one. The black, I know the paint will strip, but yeah, let's go. Let's have a battle. Let me check some. So I know it's a Dran sword. So yeah, let's battle with the real Dran sword. And the Dran sword, this is very, very strong, man. A very strong Dran sword right here. And yeah, I lost the original bit of this original Dran sword. So maybe it's not a flat one. I don't have. If I have another flat right here. Yeah, I don't have. Maybe I have. Let me see. Let me check. No, I don't have it. So yeah, let's battle. It's a different bit, but yeah, it's still the Dran sword. It has many battles already. As you can see, there's so many dents and scars on my original Dran sword right here. So yeah, the black one will have dents and yeah, paints will strip. Yep, after battle. Okay, so I will use this. This is a it's a bootleg launcher, string launcher of our Beyblade X, but I can simultaneously launch the Beyblade at the same time. So yeah, much better, so that we can have the so that we'll have a fair fight for the Dran sword, the two Dran sword, the black and the blue one. The original is the blue, the black is the our bootleg or fake. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Wow, that's so fast. The Beyblade X, the fake Dran sword, was burst at the first contact. I don't know if you see it or you saw it on the Stadium, but yeah, let's have another one. Let's go. Okay, another fight. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Woo! Stadium. Oops, I think we have a miss launch for the blue one. Yeah, let's have it again. Okay, I hope this will be a nice launch already. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Okay, nice. Oh! Oh! Oops! Yeah, and our original Dransword wins. But yeah, I don't really like to use this one. Let's go back to the launchers. Okay, so let's have first the original one. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Whoa! That is so strong. Okay, so we can see that, yeah, even it's... Wow. Not so many dents, but yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's the bootleg. And I can really see that the Beyblade X really shows its potential, full potential with this stadium, and also when you use this launcher. It's more stronger than your string kind of launcher. So let's have another one. I hope the Beyblade Dransword will not shake so much of this stadium. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Handicap for you, another one. Let's see. Wow, that's wild. Oh yeah, because Dransword, the original one, used all of its power at the beginning. That's why our black wins. So let's much better if we can really launch them at the same time. Okay, so maybe I will just throw the Beyblade one at a time. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Woo! Whoa! Oh! So see if our Dransword original we having that very wow. The paint, man, look at that black. It strips the black colors. Yeah, here. Right here, another one here, then right here. So much for the Dransword. Let's have another fight with other Beyblades also. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's have this one, the Cobalt Drake. Am I right? Cobalt Drake. So yeah, let's play with it. Let's have first the Cobalt Drake, then the black Dransword right here. So it's just me, so it's very hard to play or show you the actual power of these Beyblades because yeah, I only launch it with solo. Okay, so let's have the Cobalt Drake. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Then shoot. Whoa! I don't know if we have captured that. Very strong. It's very strong. So let's have another one. Okay, let's have another battle. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh man. Shoot. Oh. Cobalt Drake already lose its power because of the handicap. Yeah. So that's it. Maybe let's have the simultaneous gear I have here. Okay, so let's do this. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, when using this... Whoa! That's nice. Another one. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oops. Yeah, okay. But yeah, I know it's not so strong using those string cords or string launchers. Yeah, so that's our black Dransword. It's nice, very nice, but yeah, it has, you can really see the potential of this one if you have the original launcher. But it has the same power of the original Dransword, which it can really shut the Cobalt Drake out of the stadium. It's a very nice take. Even it's just a even it's just a bootleg and fake, the power is nice. Whoa, as you can see there, it can still go shut the Cobalt Drake out the pocket. It's not stable, but yeah, that's how it is, because yeah, it's fake, and it has this flat bit right here. So yeah, that's our unboxing, unpacking of our fake black Dransword, fake Beyblade X black Dransword. Yeah, and a spin test and a test battle on some Beyblades that we have right here. Okay, so that's it. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of contents, videos, and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. I don't know if I have already a video for the Cobalt Drake. Yep. So that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake Telapaya signing off, and Gambler Show signing off. Ooh, very nice. But yeah, oh, the color, it's a bit chippy. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much.